You're going to be okay, Esther.
Thank you for saving me. I just want to see my mother and Daniel. I feel so guilty for everything. If any good came from that night, it's that my mother and I are closer than ever.
Oh, Esther, I'm so sorry. I should have believed you.
Why do you say that? What happened?
John is trying to say you were cheating, and that Daniel might not be his child.
It's all lies. He just wants to shift the blame.
How can a mother side with him over her own daughter?
We need to rebuild our bridges, Levy. Everything will be different now. I won't let them see how much this hurts.
Esther might have some mental condition.
We're getting a divorce, and we'll get through this together. This trip is just what we need.
Welcome home, my darlings.
I never knew our history was so rich.
I'm finally seeing the value of being African.
This is heaven, all of us together.
Why didn't you tell us more about our history?
I'm so sorry, I didn't know.
I just want us to heal.
You're out of here. I changed the locks.
That bastard. I'll kill him.
How could he do this?